Right. Okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. Hope you guys can hear me properly, right? Okay. So I want to see everyone. Others, please turn on the video. So hurry up, fast. So today I'm going to continue the not-for-profit organizations, right? So last week I gave you the overview. In here we prepare two kinds of things. What are the two kinds of things? Cash receipt and payment. What is the two things? Receipt and payment. What are the two things? Receipt and payment account, and the other one income statement. පාඩම් කරන්නේ අපරාධ මං එදා කිව්වා මේවා දැම්ම ඉවර කරගන්න එක්සෑම් කිට් එකක් තියාගන්න එපා අපරාධ පුළුවන් තරම් දැම්ම මේවා පාඩම් කරලා තියාගන්න දැන් ඔයා ගිය සතියේ පොත වුණාට පස්සේ අද නම් පොත අරින්න වැඩක් නැහැ අතට right so I ask you to do the homeworks so you know to do the homeworks why you have limited time now තියවා අනිත් subjects වලට දීලා මේ 6 7 8 පාඩම් ලේසි මාර්ගය ඒවා දැන්ම මාත් එක කරොත් ඔයාට එක්සෑම් කාලට ආයේ පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? So I want to see others. Vimsak, Sheol, Akshara, Enudi, Himat, Risha. Right? So make sure to make sure to do the homeworks and study everything. Right? Okay, so in here last week I gave you about a note regarding receipt and payment account, correct? Right? So this was the last thing I have done last, right? So today I'm going to do these things, right? So we need to go with activity number 2, right? Given below is the cash receipt and payment account prepared by the treasurer. So prepared by the treasurer of the Shakti Sports Club. After balancing the cash receipt and payment account, the credit balance of 78,300, you can see. So after balancing it, BCD go from here, BBF goes to the credit side. So is it possible? No, I told you every time, right? Though it's a cash book or receipt and payment account, never cash account balance can be a credit balance. Understand? Every time it's a debit balance. අයි වගේ අතේ තියෙනට ගන්නට වඩා වැඩි ගාණක් වාට වියදම් කරන්න පුළුවන්. තේරුණාද? වගේ අතේ cash in hand 1000 නම් maximum you can spend only up to 1000, right? Never it can be a credit balance. Every time it's a debit balance, right? So this is incorrect. So but physically 6,900 worth of cash of the sports club was there with him, but cash in hand there was 26,900. Actually it should be the balance, understand? Right? Check the given cash receipt and payment account for any correction and prepare the corrected cash receipt and payment account. Okay, let's prepare. This is activity 2. What is the page number? Page number 100. So activity 2, page number 100. කරපුවා හරි දාගන්න. Nothing to say that about others, right? So activity 2, page number 100. Activity 2, page number 100. ගොඩක් අයගේ සමහර ළමයි ඉන්නවා සෑහෙන දැන් ඔය අපි ගත්තොත් එimhe ගිය අවුරුද්දේ සෙහෙරලා එහෙම කලින් වැඩ කළා දන්නවනේ සෙහෙරලා එහෙම ක්ලාස් වලත් හිටියා සෙහෙරලා එහෙම කලින් වැඩ කළා කියනවා එවනවා ඉතින් ඒ ළමයි ඒ 8ක් ඒ 9ක් ගන්න රීසන් එක ඒක තමයි ඇයි කලින් වැඩ කරනවා right අපිට එවනවා ඊට පස්සේ සමහරට කෝල් කර කර අහනවා ඊට පස්සේ පන්තියේ සර් කරා කියලා ඉන්න සමහරව හිතනවා ඒක මහා පඬිතකමක්ද මේ පිස්සුද මන්ද මේ වැඩ කළා කියනවා කියන්නේ එහෙම නෙමෙයි ඒක තමයි වෙන්න ඕනේ මං කියලා දෙන්නම්. ඔයා ඉස්සරහට හරි බලන්න දැන් ඔයාට මේ පරණ වීඩියෝස් තියෙන ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. දැන් මම grade 10 උත් කරනවා paper class එකේ කරනවා. මම pay book එකට වඩා මේ දවස්වල දෙන්නේ මොනවද? revision එකට. හරිනේ? right? These days I finished bank account as well. Now this Wednesday I'm going to start purchase journal, sales journal and general journal. My target is to finish it within this Wednesday, right? මං හිතනවා පැය දෙක ගියත් කමක් නැහැ. පර්චේස් ජර්නල් සේල්ස් and ජෙනරල් ජර්නල් තුනම රිවිෂන් එක කළා පාස් පේපර් සුත් කරාම ප්‍රයිම් වින්ඩෝ බුක් 6ම කතා කළා. Can you hear me guys? Right? In the paper class. ඉතින් ඔයා සමහරු එන්නෙත් නැහැ paper class. ඔයාට grade 10 බැරි නම් ඒක හරි බලන්න. අර වීඩියෝස් 6න් මම මුළු පාඩම් ඔක්කොම කරා. 4 5 sorry I mean it's not 4 5, it's 7 8 9 10 all the lessons. Understand? 4 lessons within 6 7 recordings. All clear you guys? Right? The grade 10 ඔක්කොම ටික එහෙම ඉවර කරා. ඉතින් ඔයාලට ඒවා බැරි නම් recordings අරන් බලන්න මේ මාසෙවත් හරියට. Right? වැඩ කරන්න. මොකද ඔයාලට තියෙන තව limited time එකක්. Now we are in September. September, October, November, September month එකත් ගමු. September, October, November, December. ඔයා හරි busy. ඔයාලට classes ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා. schools යන්න තියෙනවා. ඊතර වෙන වැඩ තියෙනවා. ඒවත් එක ගත්තාම ඔයාට සතියකින් ගත්තොත් ඔයාට පාඩම් කරන්න හම්බෙන hours ගන්න less than 20 hours. මම හරි. right? ඔයා ගෙදර කන බොන ඒවා පාරට යන ඒවා ඔක්කොම අයින් කරාම උඩ සතියේ පැය 20ක්වත් නෑ පාඩම් කරන්න. හිතලා බලන්න ඔයාලට පාඩම් කරන්න කොච්චර ගානක්ද තියෙන්නේ. class time ඔක්කොම අඩු කරලා. එහෙම වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරගම ළමයි ආයි ආයි කියන්න බෑ. එහෙමත් ඔයාට අඩු ටයිම් එකක් තියාගෙන ඔය කොහොමද වැඩ කරන්නේ? right? So what is the thing I want to tell you? You need to study. That is the thing. This is I can't motivate every time. You need to have in your mind time table එකක් හදාගෙන දැන්වත් වැඩ කරන්න. ඉතින් සමහර ළමයිගේ රිසර්ච් දැක්කම හරිම ආසයි. කතා කරනවා තාමත් තියෙනවා හම්බෙන්නේ නෑ. ඉතින් සාමාන්‍ය රිසල්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් මගේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක ගත්තොත් මගේ කොමර්ස් හැමෝම කරන්නේ නෑනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන්නේ. කොහොම කරන්නේ නෑ. ලිමිටඩ් ක්‍රවුඩ් එකක් කරන්නේ ඒනට. ඒ ක්‍රවුඩ් එක මාත් එක්ක ඉන්න කට්ටිය හොඳටම වැඩ කරනවා. සමහර ළමයින් එක එක්සැම්පල් එකක් කියන ගිය අවුරුද්දේ ගර්ල් කෙනෙක් හිටියේ. මට දැන් තේරෙනවා මෙයා වැඩ කරන්නේ නෑ. ක්ලාස් එනවා. දැන් මම වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්නවා. මට වෙනවා S2 එීමේ යනවා මම දෙතුන් පාරක්ම කිව්වා අම්මටත් කතා කරලා කිව්වා. ඊපස්සේ දැන් හරියන්නේ නැහැ මං කිව්වා මේම නම් ක්ලාස් එවන්න එපා වැඩක් නැහැ වැඩ කරන්නේ නැත්නම් පේනවා මොකද කට්ටියගේ මොනවද දැක්කම පේනවා වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන්න ආයි. වීඩියෝ මේ යනවා නම් ඒකෙත් අපි බබාලා නෙමෙයි. ඉතින් අපිට කියන්න බෑ මම 1900 බර ගණන් වල නෙමෙයි මං එකතු. හරිද මට ඔය කට්ටියගේ මොනවද දැක්කම කියන්න පුළුවන්. අපිත් ওই කාලේ මම අවුරුදු දෙකක් යුනිවර්සිටි ලෙක්චර්ස් ඔන්ලයින් ගියා. මාත් ඉතින් බබාව නෙමෙයි මාව තම්බන්න බෑ. අපිත් ඉතින් හොර කරපු විදිය චීට් කරපු විදිය අපි දන්න. මම 3rd year 4th year දෙකේම යුනිවර්සිටි ඔන්ලයින් ගියේ තනිකර Zoom එකේ. මොකද අපි ඒ කාලේ කොරෝනා. හරිද? එතකොට සාමාන්‍ය උදේ 8ට වාඩි වුණාම හවස 5 වෙනකන් ලෙක්චර්ස් තියෙනවා. දවල් ලන්ච් අවේක ඇරෙන්නේ. හරිද? ඒක සාමාන්‍ය සමාජලාට ලෙක්චර්ස්ලා බයිනවා වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්න කියනවා. ප්‍රශ්න අහනවා. කොහොමද වැඩ කරන්න කියලා බලනවා. නෝට් ඔයගොල්ලෝ නයිද නෝට් චෙක් කරන්නේ නැහැ. උඹලා ලිව්වත් එක එනදත් එක එක්සෑම්ස් ලිව්වා. ඔයගලන්ට වඩා හොඳට අපි Zoom කාලා වතුර බීලා ඉන්නේ. හරිද? අවුරුදු ඔයගලන්ට කලින් අපි Zoom use කරන්න ගත්තා. හරිද? ඒතර මම දන්නවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ උනාද කරන්නේ. ඉතින් ඒ ගර්ල්ට මම කිව්වා පාඩම් කරන්න වැඩ කරන්න. ඒත් අහන්නේ. අන්තිමට බැලුවින්දා රිසල්ට් එක S එකක්. උච්චර කිව්වා. ඉතින් මටත් එක්ක නම් ලැජ්ජාව. උච්චර කිව්වත් ඉතින් අහන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් පන්ති එන එකත් නතර කරේ නැහැ. වැඩ කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඔහි එනවා. මට දැන් ඩේලි වැඩ කරන්න නැහැ. ඔහි එනවා වෙන දේවල් කරනවා. ඕම ඉන්න ඉතින් S එකක් මට රිසල්ට්ස් කිව්වෙත් නෑ මට වෙන එක්කෙනෙක් තමයි රිසල්ට් එක කිව්වේ. ඒ වගේ ළමයිත් ඉන්නවා මොකද හැමෝම සර්ව සම්පූර්ණ නෑ මම දන්නවා ඉතින් මම කියන්නේ මල් ළඟ ඉන්න හැමෝම බෝධිසත්වයෝ කියලා මම කියන්නේ මල් ළඟත් ඉන්නවා මේ ඔය ගන්න ඒ ගන්න නැතිව ඉන්නවා ඉතින් මට එච්චර බොරු කියන්න ඕනේ නෑ S තියෙන F නන් නෑ කවුරුත් නෑ. S එකක් එක්කෙනෙක් හිටියා මට ඇත්තටම එයා විතරයි ඉතින් අවුරුදු දෙකකින් එකමාරක් විතර නෑ අවුරුදු දෙකම ක්ලාස් එකක් තාම. grade 10 පළවෙනි දවසේ නම්වත් හිටියා. ඉතින් මට දුකයි ඉතින් ඒක ගැන අපරාධ ඉතින් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. එක එක විදිහේ ඉතින් දැන් ඔයාලට මෙච්චර වීඩියෝස් උත් තියෙනවා රිසෝසස් උත් තියෙනවා. So you can do everything. Understand? First thing what I want to tell you, you need to study. Main thing. මේක ලොකු අමාරුවක් විතර දකින්න එපා. ගොඩක් ඔයගලන්ගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ ඇවිල්ලා you are too much busy. You don't have enough time to do anything. Can you hear me guys? Right? ගොඩක් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා වගේ you are too much busy. සමහරලාට ෆෝන් වැඩ අනම්මනම් වැඩ ක්ලාසස් වැඩ ඒවා ඉතින් ඔයා දැනගන්න ඕනේ ප්‍රයොරිටි දෙන්න. ඔයාගේ සර්කල් එකේ ඔයා හදාගෙන ඔයා ප්‍රයොරිටි දෙන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා දැනගන්න ඕනේ මොනවාටද මම ප්‍රයොරිටි දෙන්නේ. රයිට්? ඉතින් ප්‍රයොරිටි දීලා ඒ ටිකට අනුව වැඩ කරන්න. රයිට්? ඒක ඔයාගේ අතේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් දැන් මම කවද ඉඳන්ද කියන්නේ මේකේ හෝම්වර්ක් කරන්න. මම රිමයින්ඩින් මැසේජ් එක දාද්දිත් කිව්වා. රයිට්? ඔයා දැන් බලන්න නැත්නම් පාස් පේපර් එකක් කරන්න නැත්නම් මං කරන කන්නම් ඉන්නේ. Nothing to say because you have limited time. අපරාධේ මම ඔයාලට කලිනුත් කිව්වා. This subject is really important. Why you have one stream called commerce in the A level. සමහරට ඔයාලට O level හරි රිසල්ට්ස් ගන්න නැත්නම් ඔයාලට සයන්ස් මැත් සමානව ඔයාලට A level කොමර්ස් තමයි තෝරගන්න. ඉතින් මේකම තමයි ඇඩ්වාන්ස් වෙන්නේ. මම A level උගන්වන. මම සමහර O level උගන්වන දේවල් A level වලටත් ගැලපෙන්න තමයි මම උගන්වන්නේ. ඇඩ්වාන්ස් නෙමෙයි ඒනට බේසික්ස් ටික මම මෙතනදී දෙනවා. Can you hear me guys? Right? So I'm giving you the basics. So ඔයාලට A level එද්දි ලේසි. ඒක නිසා මතක තියාගන්න. වැඩ කරන එක ඔයාගේ අතේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Right. Okay, let's prepare Shakti Sports Club receipt and payment account. Do it with me, right? Shakti Sports Club, Shakti Sports Club, receipt and oh, how about payment? Well, receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st December 2020. Right, let's prepare. T format is enough. Right. Initially, right, you can see balance brought forward. It was they have written as credit side. අවදාවත් credit balance එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන් opening balance එකක්. It should be a debit balance. BBF 7,400, right? So I'm going to write balance brought forward 7,400. Okay. So let's take the other thing. Subscription fee. Subscription fee means what? Fee received from the members. Can you hear me, guys? Right? It is an income. So sorry, it's a cash receipt. 190,000. Subscription fee 190,000. Done. Next one. Purchase office equipment. Purchase office equipment means we are giving cash, so cash outflow. Purchase of office equipment 40,000. Purchase of office equipment 40,000. Right? Salaries and wages we are paying, not receiving, 99,000. Salaries and wages 99. Next one. Donation received 24,300. Receive means we are receiving. Donation received how much? 24,300. 24,000 series. Right? Sale of flags. When we sell flags, we receive money, so it's a cash inflow. 8,200. Sale of flags 8,000. Refreshment expenses we are paying, right? So cash outflow 5,400. Refreshment expenses 5,400. Stationery 7,500. We are paying 7,500. Purchase of equipments we are paying, right? So sports equipment and equipment are two things, right? Purchase of equipment 4,800. Purchase of equipment 4,800. Printing charges for flags, it's a cash outflow 5,006. Printing charges for flags 5,000, right? So 5,600. What I want to tell you, I want to tell you one thing. Look here, guys. Can you hear me? I'm audible, right? This Thursday, I'm going to start petty cash book for grade 10 students. If you need, you can join for that, right? Petty cash. Petty cash book क्या बोलती है ना इन can join, right? Printing charges for flags. Then miscellaneous expenses 15,000. Miscellaneous expenses, how much? 15,000. Done. Maintenance of ground 8,200 cash outflow. $8,200. Done. Fee for umpiring 17,200. Fees for umpiring 17,500. All the things done. Let's balance now, right? Let's balance. Can you tell me the higher value side total? 239. Is this correct? Once you deduct the low value side total, how much is the BCD? 26,000. Hmm? 26,000. 26,000. Just wait. The same answer you got this answer 26,900. Yes. So BCD 26,900, and when it comes to BBF, same answer. Debit side. Finish it and raise your hands. Once you done, raise your hand. All done? Right. Hussein, Bimsat, Tenudi, Dinuja, done. So why did you put BBF on debit? Because asset accounts, BBF comes on the debit side, right? Because you know, most of the time BBF goes to the increase side, right? Just remember, receipt and payment account is similar to the cash book, right? Cash book is an asset account. So BBF, so you know, asset account increase debit, decrease credit, right? Why I put BBF debit side? Because you know, asset accounts increase is the debit side. That's why it comes from the debit side. Okay. It's a rare situation where the right. It's okay, fine. No issue. You can ask any. Right. Hope whole of you have done right. So if you need more time, take a screenshot. Right. Okay. Let's go to the other one. Activity number 3. Right. Right. Let's go to the activity number 3. Page number 100. Right. Let's go. Activity number 3. This is an easy lesson. හරියට තේරුම් ගන්න. Page number 100. Right. Kobudu Children's Community has 450 members. The subscription fee per member is 100. The summary of cash transaction relevant to month of January 2020 is given below. Purchase of stationery, expense for internet facility, income from selling magazines, postal expenses, transport expenses, printing expenses, receipt of donation. Following additional information is also available. Income of 200 magazine sales is yet to be received. So, right, uh, sale of magazine income, how much? Yet to be received 200. Yet to be received means hambela naha hambenne thiyena. Eke enawada cash receipt and payment account ekata? No. Here we prepare it using the cash basis. Can you hear me, guys? Right? Hambela naththam we don't carry. 15 members have not paid their membership fee for the month of January 2015. Using the given below information, prepare the cash info for the month. Look here, දැන් ඔන්න ඕක තමයි එක්සෑම් එකේ පටල ගන්න. සමහරලාට year trans ඔන්න හොඳට අහගන්න. සමහරලාට අවුරුද්දක් දීලා they are giving you an year and asking to prepare receipt and payment for the year end and giving membership fee relevant for 1 month. If so, to find the annual membership fee, you need to multiply it by 12. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? But in here, they are giving the January month transactions. And also, you need to calculate the membership fee only for 1 month. Right? First of all, before preparing that, let's see the membership fee thing. Just see, you can do like this. How many members are there? In here, you can see 450 members are there. 450 members are there, right? So, you know, subscription fee for member is 100. So, in here, there is no any information whether this is annually or monthly. Let's assume this is for month. Can you hear me, guys? අපි හිතමු මේ 100 ඇවිල්ලා මාසෙට. At last, they are telling 15 members have not paid their membership fee. So 15 not paid. 15 not paid. Right? Out of 450, 15 not paid. How many members have been paid? Can you tell? Then if so, how many members have paid? 450 minus 15, how much? 435. Am I correct? Okay, 435 members paid. If so, how much is the membership fee received? 435 into 100, how much? 43,000. 43,500. 43, right? 43,000. If they ask like this, how much is the membership fee income should be recorded in the income statement? We discuss. In income statement, we record membership fee relevant for the period. Understand? Membership fee relevant for the period. If so, 450 into 100, how much? 45,000 is the membership fee income. We record in the income statement. Clear to you guys? Right? In here, you only need to pay the cash receipt and payment account, right? Okay. So now they're asking using the given, prepare the cash receipt and payment account. Right. Let's see. Gana bantakal. උඩින් rule 3ක් තියන්න ලියන්න. උඩින් rule 3ක් තියන්න ඕනේ ලියන්න. What are the things you need to write? Write as Ubudu children's community. Yes. ඒක රෙකෝඩ් කරන්න නෑ මොකද හම්බෙලා නැති එකක් සල්ලි වලින් හම්බුනා නම් විතරයි අපි රෙකෝඩ් කරන්නේ. Yet to be received නේද? right ඒකෙන් තාම හම්බෙලා නැහැ කියන්නේ. right Ubudu children's community. Ubudu children's community. Ubudu children's community. Ubudu children's community. Cash receipt and payment account. Cash receipt and payment account for the month ended January, right? So let's take 2025. 31st January 2020. Right? Let's see. There is no any opening balance. Am I correct? There is no any opening balance, right? So let's see the membership fee. How much? You can see the membership fee relevant for the received. How much? Subscription fee 43,500. Subscription fee we identified 43,500 with the subscription fee received. Membership fee or subscription fee both correct. ගන්න ඒවට හරි දාන්න නැත්නම් ඔයාලට පැටලෙනවා. When මේක we don't care, you know, every time we start from the adjustments. Can you remember in P&L and SFP also? We started from the adjustments. Can you remember? Don't do other things. Are you මොනවද දැක්කම කියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන ඒවා ඔබනවා නම්. සමුදර ආගෙන ඉන්න. Right? So මුණ බලලා ශාස්ත්‍ර කියන්න පුළුවන් හැකියාව මට තියෙනවා. Right? හරි. ඕකේ. බලලා කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? බෑ මුණ බලලා විතරයි. බලලා කියන්න. මුණ වලින් කියන්න පුළුවන්. වෙන ලෝකෙදී මොනවද කරන්නේ වැඩ කරනවා. දැන් වෙන ප්‍රශ්නකදී ඉන්නේ පෞල් ප්‍රශ්නකදී ඉන්නේ. right? බඩගින්නේදී ඉන්නේ. කොහොම කියන්න පුළුවන්? right? අම්මගෙන් බැනුම් අහලා දින්නේ. තාත්තගෙන් බැනුම් අහලා දින්නේ කියන්න පුළුවන්. right? All right. Let's see. I'll see. Right. Now let's record the other things. Purchase of stationery 2,400. It goes to the credit side. Purchase of stationery 2,400. It goes to the credit side. Next one. Expenses for internet facility. credit, right? Outflow. Expenses for how much? Internet facility, it's 70, right? Here, 70. Right. Right. Next one. Income from selling magazines. It comes from here. Income from selling magazines. 6,400. Postal expenses, 60. Postal expenses. Postal expenses, 60. Transport expenses, 200. Transport expenses. Transport expenses, 200. We are paying. Printing expenses, 700. 700. Receipt of donations, 1,000. Receipt of donations, 1,000. Oh, all done, right? So magazine yet to be received, we don't care, right? Okay, let's balance. I'm throwing down. Right. Let's see. Can you tell me the total of debit side? I got one. I get the debit side total. How much? This one? 50,000. 50,900. Once you deduct these things, 47,470, right? 470. Yes. Thank you. 47,470. BCD and BBF 47,400. If there is any different answer like that, let me know. Finish it and raise your hands. Turn on the videos and wait. Samalya, Gihansa, Kenubi, let me right. Let me have you feel just right. If you need more time, let me know. Right. So two also done. Let's go to the so three also done. Let's go to the fourth one. Right. Let's see. Below given are the receipt and payment for the first 3 months of year 2025. Let's take first 3 months are මාස 3ක transactions දීලා තියෙනවා. If they ask you to calculate the membership fee received, we need to calculate membership fee received for 3 months. Understand? Right? So, recorded by the treasurer of Samagi Youth Club. Prepare the cash receipt and payment account using the following information. Balance of cash in hand as at 2025 January 1st, 12,400. These are the things. Let's see. Right. So this is activity 4, page number 101. Activity 4, page number 101. Activity 4, page number 101. Right. So let's prepare the PNL. Sorry, we will prepare the cash receipt and payment account. This is Samagi Youth Club. Samagi Youth Club. Cash receipt and payment account, or you can write like cash receipt and payment account, both are okay. Cash receipt and payment account for the 3 months ended, first 3 months, right, which means ending on 31st March. For the 3 months ended 31st March 2025. Initially, there was a cash balance 12,400. You can write. So there are dates. Better you can write the date as well. So 1st of January. So 1st of January 2025. Balance got for මෙච්චර ලැබුණ නැද්ද?
එහෙනම් දේශගත තමයි කිව්වේ.
කිව් එකක්වත් ඇහුණේ නැද්ද?
දේශගත තමයි කිව්වේ.
Right, right. Right, okay. So for the 3 months ended, this is the, you can write the dates, write the dates. I know to go tag right. rare situation, right? Okay. Now, salaries administration, it's a payment, right? Salaries administration, we are paying. So the date is 1st of 4th of January. 4th of January. Salary, how much is it? Salaries administration, uh, 10,200, right? We are not receiving salary. 10,000, right? Subscription fee, we are receiving 7th of January, 3,200. 7th of January. 7th of January 2025. Subscription fee total 3,200. Done. 10th of January, electricity 1,400. It's a payment. 10th of January 2005, electricity. How much? How much? Electricity 1,400. It's a payment. 15th of January, rate and taxes. It's a payment. 15th of January 2025, rates and expenses 300, right? 300, right? Then, yes,
මඩවලග ගියාවද දැන්න කෙරෙව්වා.
how
මඩවලග ගියාවද මේක පැනලා කෙරෙව්වා.
karada.
කලින් අවුරුද්දේ.
20th of January, subscription fee 7,300. 20th of January 25,
ජූලි 9 කරනවා.
subscription fee. You can see how much subscription. 7,300. 7,000. March match referee fee, it's a payment. We are giving match referee fee fees 1,005. 23rd of January. 23rd of January. Match referee fees 1,005. 1,500. There should be another E. Right? Then 30th of January, transport fee 1,200. 30th of January, transport fee how much? 1,200. 1,200. Okay. Then next one, February 1st. මට කලින් කළා ටක් ගාලා බැලන්ස් කරන්න බා. ටක් ගාලා කළා මට කලින් බැලන්ස් කරන හම්බෙනේවා ඩෙබිට් කරනවා. යන්නේව ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරනවා. ඕක බැරනම් ඉතින් ආයේ පාවසරේ ශිෂ්‍යත්වයට තමයි දාන්නේ. හම්බෙන්නේ. Yes. Just wait. WhatsApp එකේ දැම්මද?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see. Let's see. Let's see. Can you hear me, guys? I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Just right. Right. Again, tell me just one time. Just right.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. Right. Sorry, here. Like, let's see the other thing. So February 1st, 1st of February 2025, subscription fee 15,800. 800. Done. 5th of February, receipt of donation 4,000. 5th of February 2025, receipt of donation 4,000. Next one, 10th of February, salary administration 10,200. 10th of February, 5, salary administration, it's a payment 10,200. Right? Done. Stationery expense 13th of February 400. 13th of February, stationery expense 400. 15th of February, electricity 1,200. 15th of February, electricity 1,200. Subscription fee 9,600. 20th of February. Subscription fee 9,600. 24th of February, transportation fee 5,000. 24th of February, transport fee 5,000. 26th of February 2025, subscription fee 17,200. 17,200. Subscription fee. Then all the things done in the first line, right? So let's go to the other one. 28th of February, anniversary expenses 11,400. 28th of February, anniversary expenses 11,400. 3rd of March, stationery expense 300. I'm scrolling down now. 3rd of March, right? Stationery expense 300. $300. Done. 7th of March, purchase of paper 600. 7th of March, purchase of papers 600. 10th of March, donation received 2000. 10th of March 2025, donation received 10,000. So it's 20,000. 20,000. Right? Next one. Income from carnivals 94,200. 10th of March. Again, right? Again, 10th of March. Income from carnival. 10th of March. Income from carnival 94,200. Done. Carnival expenses 27,500. 13th of March. Carnival expenses 27,500. Done. 16th of March. Income from carnival 42,200. Carnival මම හිතන්නේ මේ දවස් දෙකක් විතර carnival තියලා නේද? බාන 10ක් තියලා carnival 16ක් තියලා ඒ කියන්නේ carnival එක 10 වෙනි ඉඳන් 16 වෙනකන් ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. ගාන කොච්චර? නේද? Right? Income from carnival 42,200. In of March. 16th of March. Income from carnival 42,200. 42,200. Rates and taxes 300. 20th of March 2025. Rates and taxes 300. Right? 24th of March, electricity 1,300. 21st of March, sees electricity 1,300. right? Then receipt of donation 22nd of March 15,000. 22nd of March, receipt of donation 15,000. Match referee fee 1,500. 24th of March. Match referee fee 1,500. Payment for papers 1,200. 25th of March. Twenty-fifth of March 2025 sees payment for papers 1,200. Payment for papers 1,200. 28th of March, subscription fee 8,000. 28th of March. അറിയത് ഏതായ ടോട്ടൽ 8,000. Expenses for carnival 8,000. 29th of March. 29th of March 2025. Expenses for carnival rupees 1,800. Next, 30th of March, water bill 1,000. 30th of March, water bill 1,300. All done. Ooh, all done. Right? Thank God. Right. Can anyone tell me the totals? Don't do other things.
248,900 and BCD is 170,300.
එගන වේද? 2 මේම කොහොමද? 248
48,900. BCD is 170,300.
others. Can you confirm it? Any other one? I got one answer as see the total. See this one. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show it again, right? Phone. Take a screenshot. Right? This is the first thing and the last thing. Right. So in here, this is 248,900, right? 248,900. Once you deduct 170,300, BCD, right? PBF also, then 100. 200. It should be 300, right? Balance carried down. What is it? Okay, finish it and raise your hands. If there's any other different answer, let me know. You know, to keep from here, I don't know how many pages. We wrote around 2 pages, right? Yeah, 2.5 pages.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Activity 5 ഇഷ്ട പാടുമ്പോഴാണ്
25.
Activity 5.
Let's see. Hold on. Hey, BCDB, this should be in the same line, right? You can't change it. එකම ළඟ එන්න ඕනේ. මේ හැමතිස්සෙම මේ ඉරි දෙක එක ළඟම එන්න ඕනේ. Right? මේක බෑ කියන්නේ තාම කෑෂ් බුකුත් බෑ. කෑෂ් බුක් බෑ කියන්නේ 10 වසරට යනවා. Right? Don't do other things. Turn on the videos and wait. Once you done, raise your hands. Okay. Hope all done. If you need more time, let me know. Right. So this is the end of the receipt and payment account. Right. So now we are going to discuss about our next thing, income statement. Write the heading. Write the next heading, income statement. Write the next heading, income statement. Right. Let's see. In here we include all the income and expenses, right? An income statement is prepared to calculate the net results of the economic activities conducted by the not-for-profit organization. Net results of the economic activity. Net result means what? Surplus or the deficit. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Turn on the videos and wait. Right? So this statement will calculate the excess or the deficit generated by a not-for-profit organization within a specific time period, considering all the income and expenses related to the relevant period. And surplus is generated in the income statement when the income generated is more than the expense of the period. When the expenses are more than the income generated, a deficit is recognized. Differences can be recognized between the receipt and payment. Okay, before that, let's try. Prepare. Okay, let's try. Prepare to calculate net result. Let's see, result means surplus or prepare to calculate net result of the economic activities of the economic activities conducted by the not-for-profit organization during a specific time period, right? Include all the income and expenses relevant for the period under accrual concept. Accrual concept means relevant for the period we included. Don't do other things, make sure to write. Hope you are writing. You අනේ මන්ද කොච්චර කිව්වත් එක විදිහට ඉන්නේ. වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්නානේ. පොඩ පැය දෙක චුට්ටක් ඉන්නකො එක විදිහකට. 2 hours only, then after 6 do whatever you want, right? ඕනනම් කලිසම නැතුව වෙලුවෙන් හරි ගෙදරට වෙලා ඉන්න ඕන මගුලක් කරගන්න. මේ පැය දෙක විතරක් පොඩ්ඩක් ෂේප් එකකින් ඒ වටේ නෙමෙයි පාර වටේ හරි හෙළුවෙන් දුවනවා 6න් පස්සේ, right? The income is higher than expenses. ඔයා දැන් මෙතන වෙන වෙන ලෝකවල ඉන්නවා කියන්නේ අපරාධ වල ආයි පාඩම් කරන්න effort එක වැඩි. Surplus if the expenses is higher than income, it's a deficit. It's very also. Similar to profit or loss statement, prepared by for-profit organization. Write the things and raise your hand. Okay, guys, right? Turn on the videos and wait. Hope all done. Others, faster. Once you finish, raise your hand. I hope all done, right? Okay. now. So differences can be recognized. Okay, now let's see. No, I'm not going to give a note in here. Okay, what are the differences between receipt and payment account and income statement? Right. Okay, you can see similar to cash book in the this receipt and payment account similar to cash book of for-profit organization. Understand? Right. Income statement similar to P&L in for-profit organization. Record cash receipt and payment. Record income and expenses. Record all the cash receipt and payments relating to a time period. Record income and expense related only the time period. Show the cash balance available at the end of the period. The balance will represent either an excess or deficit in here. Prepared on cash basis, prepared on accrual basis. Just remember, this is cash basis. හම්බුනහම debit කරනවා ගෙවුවොත් credit කරනවා. Understand? This is under accrual basis. Accrual basis means relevant for the period income and expense. Understand? Hope you got the thing. Right. Subscription fee, that is also really important. Main source of income for the not-for-profit organization is the subscription fee. The subscription fees can be charged monthly, quarterly, bi-annually or annually. මාසෙකට මාස 3 3ට අවුරුද්දට quarters කීයක් තියෙනවද? How many quarters in a year? 4 quarters. දෙකක් කොහෙද යකෝ හතරක් තියෙනවා. quarter එකක් කියන්නේ 3 months. Right? So 4 quarters in a month, in an year, right? So biannual means half, right? So 2 annually. Members who are willing to make a lump sum payment of their entire membership fee can be obtained lifetime membership period by taking a one-time payment, right? The total subscription fee income can be calculated. හම්බුනත් නැතත් කීයක් කර income එක කීයද දාන්නේ? Number of members multiplied by annual membership fee per member. Understand? Right? So in receipt and payment account, we debit only the membership fee received. But under income statement, right, we record membership fee relevant for the period, right? Okay, example, the Commerce Society of Satmini Mahavidyalaya has 420 members. The annual subscription fee per member is 60. The annual membership fee is 420 multiplied by 60, which means 25,200. The annual membership fee of the sports association is 200 per member. The annual total number of members are 400 and 20 members have not paid the annual membership fee. ඉතින් මෙච්චර දඟලන්න ඕනේ 400 අය ඉන්නවා. Right? එක්කෙනෙක් 200 කියන්නේ membership fee relevant for the period is 80,000. Can you hear me, guys? ඔන්න මේකත් textbook එක අයිනේ ලියාගන්න. මේගොල්ලෝ කරලා තියෙන්නේ ගෙවපු ගානයි හම්බෙච්ච ගානයි received එකයි arrears එකයි දෙකේ total එක අරගෙන තියෙනවා. එහෙම අරගෙන තමයි for the period එක අරන් තියෙන්නේ. Understand? Right? This is the amount we record in the receipt and payment. This is the amount we record in the receipt and payment account. ඒවත් ලියාගන්න. මේක තමයි receipt and payment account එකේ දාන්නේ. Right? The amount received during the period. Understand? Right? මේගොල්ලෝ කරලා තියෙන හම්බෙච්ච ගානයි හම්බුනේ නැති ගානයි දෙකේ ටෝටල් එක අරන් දාලා තිනවා. එච්චර දඟලන්න ඕනේ. Right. Hope all good. Right? Okay. So now it's time for do the things. Okay. So before preparing the, let's see the activity 5. Do the activity 5. Activity 5, page number 103. Activity 5, page number 103. Activity 5, page number 103. Right? Let's try to finish the lesson by next week.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, my activity 5 ගන්න sir. හරිද?
I'll see. අපි බලමු ගමන් උත්තරේ කරන අතර check කරගන්න. Right? Okay. නැත්තම් මට ආයි කියවන්න වෙනවා මුලින් නම් දෙපාරක්. Okay. මම දැන් කරනවා. Let's see. කරන ගමන් බලන්න. ඔය answer එක. It's okay, fine. Right. So do it. Those who have done, do move to the sixth one as well. Do the fifth one. All done? Let's see. Activity 5. Right. පාර zoom එක දිහා නිදිමතේ බැලුවොත් එම් බය වෙන අර ඇඟිලි උඩ යනවනේ එතකොට නිකන් අර භූතයෙක් දැක්කා වගේ මහා රැට එහෙම අලුවරේ ඉඳලා zoom එක දැක්කොත් එහෙම
මාත් එක දැන් සර් දැක්කේ උඩ යනවා කියලා.
thumbs up දැක්කහම නිකන් නේ ඒක නම් මහා රෑ බැලුවොත් එහෙම නිදිමරගා අලගිලියක් නූල් බඳින්නේ. Right. Setsat Sports Club has 120 members. Okay. Now let's see. Right. 120 members. 120 members. Right, the annual membership fee per member is 350. Annual how much? 350. Right. 15 members have not paid their subscription fee. Out of this one, right? 15 members have not paid, right? Oops. Okay. කරවෙලා තියෙනවා. See. There is right. Out of this one, 15 members have not paid, right? Not paid. If so, if 15 members not paid, can you tell me how much the paid one? Paid one. 105, am I correct? Hello? Right? So 105 paid. ඒතර හම්බෙච්ච නැති ගාන අපි නිකන් හදමු. එච්චර ඕනේ අපි නිකන් බලමු අහන ප්‍රශ්න. මේ වගේ ටයිම් එකක් ගහගන්න ටයිම් ලයින් එක මේ වගේ මයින්ඩ් මැප් එකක් ගහගන්න. ඒතර ඔයාලට ලේසි. Calculate the subscription fee received. Subscription fee received how much? Number 1, subscription fee received. You know there are 350 into 105. Can you tell me the total? 350 into 105. Here the
36,750.
30. Sorry, I beg your pardon. 30.
36,750.
36,750. Right. Number 2. Right. How much is the accrued membership fee? Accrued means the receivable. Accrued, you know, accrued, don't do other things. Receivable membership fee. How much? There are 15 members not paid into 350. How much? 15 into 350. How much, guys? Anyone?
5,250.
5,250. Better to write as rupees, huh? Your cost the del the pol the na gal the mal the ඔක්කොම මොනවාද කියලා ලියන්න. Please. Number 3. Calculate the subscription fee for the year. Right? Subscription fee. Subscription fee for the year. Is the income, right? Income. Income you can calculate easily. You can get the total in one way. You can write. So 36,750 plus 5,250. You can get the total of these two. Or in the second way, you can take 120 into 350. Both others should be the same answer. Can you tell me?
42,000.
42,000. 42,000. Check whether your answer is correct. Both should be the same answer. Yes? Finish it and raise your hands. Once you done, raise your hand. Hold on, right? Hope hold on. Others, Oshem, Shenudi, Vimat, Vinuja. Hope you have done, right? Video on කරන් ඒගොල්ලම ආසයි එතකොට බලන්න. සුදු වෙලාද කළු වෙලාද මහත් වෙලාද කියලා හරි බලන්න පුළුවන්. අන් දෙකක් එහෙම ඇවිල්ලාද? ගාලා බලන්න. බලන්න පුෂ්ප. Right. Okay. Preparation of income statement. Using the below example, observe how to prepare income statement. The treasurer of the Science Society of Madhavala Mahavidyalaya has presented the following information related to income and expenses. You can see income, membership fee, sales of magazine, donation, advertisements, expenses, printing of magazines, stationery, transport, payments for as donation. You can see income, membership fee, sales. This is the income membership fee relevant for the period. Sale of magazine, donation, advertisement. You can see expenses, printing of magazine, stationery, transport, payments as donation. Just think, if we purchase an equipment, we can't write it because it's not an expense. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Purchase of an asset is not an expense, right? So once we deduct income from expenses, there is no any profit. It's surplus or deficit, right? So since the income is higher than expenses, it's a surplus in here. Example, observe how the income statement has been prepared by the treasurer of Janajaya Society by using the following data. Cash balance as at 1st January 2024. Membership fee received, payment as donation, station purchases, receipt of donation, payment for aids, sale of flags, electricity, purchase of papers, telephone expenses. So likewise, there are many things, and there are additional information as well. Okay. Let's concern the additional information also in here, right? Let's see the additional information. Okay. Okay. Shall we do this one? Example 6? No, let's do the answers in here. Number of members are 746 and the annual membership fee per member is 100. However, 3 members have not paid membership fee. Then මෙතන කියනවා 3 දෙනෙක් ගෙවලා නැහැලු. 3 members have not paid. Can you hear me, guys? I'll take the screenshots. Right. In here it says 3 members have not paid. So we don't care about it. Why? ගෙව්වේ කීයද ගෙව්වේ නැත්te කීයද කියලා අපිට there is no any requirement. You can see 146 members, right? One member is 100, so 74,600 is the membership fee relevant for the period. Can you hear me, guys? Right? Out of this, 3 members not paid, so we don't care. So as the membership fee income, how much we write? 4,600. All clear? ඔන්න ගන්න එකට මම හරි දාන්න. First one done. Next one. අපි ගන්න එකට හරි දාන්න ඕනේ. අපි පළවෙනි adjustment එක concern කරා. උත්තරේ දිනවා answer is there. You don't need to concern. Membership fee receive also we concern because we are not writing membership fee received in the income statement. Okay, we don't care. And also we don't need the cash balance for the income statement as well. ඇයි අපිට cash balance එක ඕනෙත් නැහැ income statement, right? Let's see the number 2. Annual telephone charges is 840. Just go and see how much the telephone charges are. It says telephone expenses these are paid. මේ ඇවිල්ලා ගෙවපු ගාන. But amount relevant for the period is 840. Can you hear me, guys? So in here, because of that, as the telephone expense, how much we write? Relevant for the period, how much? Telephone expenses? No, sorry, telephone expenses 840. Are in it? One. You can see this is the first one, right? This is the second one, right? Product textbook එක හදාගන්න ළමයි. Third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one, right? The sixth one. 7, and 8. You can see membership fee, telephone expenses, how much? 840. Clear, you guys? Right? We take relevant for the period. Okay. Second adjustment also done. Right? මේ අපි අරකෙත් ගත්ත එකට correction එකක් දැම්ම මේකෙත් දැම්ම. Done. Next one. 1600 is to be received from the sale of flag. හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවලු. බලන්න sale of flags වලින් කීයක් හම්බෙලාද කියලා. 86,400. Our amount of 1,600 for the period should be recorded. Should be received. So how much is the sale of flags total? 88,000, right? 88,000. So as sale of flag unit, right? 88,000, you can see. 88,000. ගත්තේවට හරි දැන්. Right. It is also done. Next one. Be careful. Prepaid electricity. What is the term for prepaid? කලින් ගෙවලා. කලින් ගෙවුවා නම් මේ අවුරුද්දට අදාළද? නැහැ. We need to remove it. Can you hear me, guys? Right? Prepaid 150, which means now electricity out of this one, you need to deduct 150. So how much is the electricity relevant for the period? 1,300. You can see in here as electricity there should be 1,300. Yes, it's correct. Electricity how much? 1,300. Hope it's clear. Done. Next one. Okay, all the adjustments done. Let's take the other things. Payment as donation 1,002. It is an expense. You can see donation is also an expense as well as cash outflow. Okay, done. Then next one. Stationery purchase 1,520. It's an expense. Stationery, right? Done. Next one. Receipt of donation income 40,000. You can see receipt of donation income 40,000. Done. Next one. Payment for aids ආධාරවලට 2,500. Payment for aids 2,500. You can see 2,500. Done. Next one. Purchase of papers 1,280. Purchase of papers 1,280. It's an expense. If we purchase a equipment, machine or something, we can't write it as expense. Clear to you? If they understand, turn on the videos. Hello. Depreciation we need to calculate and write. Next one. Sale of all papers. It is an income 200. You can see. Sale of all papers 200. Right. Next one. Rent of building 7,000. You can see building rent 7,000. It is an expense. Next one. Refreshment expenses 640. It is an expenses. Refreshment expenses 640. ඔන්න ඔක්කොම දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? ඔයාගේ textbook එකෙත් මේක හදාගන්න ළමයි නැත්නම් ඔයාලට පස්සේ බලද්දි තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. මෙන්න මේ වගේ මෙන්න මෙතනට 1,600 plus මෙතන minus 150 මේ දෙකට put like x because we don't take these things. Understand? Right? ගන්න නැති ඒවට කතර දාන්න. Because you know these things are not relevant for the like these things are not concerning as expenses or income, right? So then you can see the income is 202,800. Expenses are 15,280. So there is a surplus because income is higher than expenses. So it's 187,500. Easy, clear to you guys? 520. Understand? Are you there? Right? So now you can don't do other things. Activity 6, 7 and 8. තනියම කරන්න try එකක් දෙන්න. මොකද්ද what is the secret behind this one? මෙතන අහනවා සමහරලාට see you can see in activity 6 they are asking us to prepare the income statement. Activity 7 they are asking both receipt and payment account and income statement. In activity 8 they are asking income statement only. Just be careful. In the receipt and payment account we record cash received and cash payments. In income statement we record income and expenses relevant for the period. If we take about depreciation, it goes only to the income statement. Depreciation කියන ඒවා සල්ලි වලින් හම්බෙන්නේ හරි ගෙවන්නේ හරි නෑ. Can you hear me, guys? So we can't record in the receipt and payment. If we take about purchase of an equipment, it goes only to the receipt and payment account. Why? It is not an income or expense. Machine එකක් ගන්නවා කියන එක non current asset එකක් ගන්නවා කියන එක expense එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඒක යන්නේ නැහැ කොහෙටද යන්නේ? ඒක යන්නේ නැහැ income statement. Right? So අන්න ඒ වගේ සමාල් හැමතිස්සෙම මතක තියාගන්න මෙන්න මෙතන මේ බලන්න. Now you can see like here, right? You can see like prepaid electricity. When we prepaid electricity, then we electricity out of this electricity, you can see in here, electricity 4,450 we paid, but out of that we paid 150 relevant for the next period. But in receipt and payment account, we write the full amount. Salary වලින් එළියට ගියේ මේක. Understand? But in the income statement, we write amount relevant for the period, which means 1,450 minus 150. Then after that, you can see other than that, to be received, they can හම්බෙන්න තියෙනවා flags වලින්. Flags වලින් හම්බෙච්ච ගාන තමයි receipt and payment account එකට. හම්බෙන්න තියෙන ගාන මෙච්චරක් ඒ ගාන තමයි income statement. අන්න ඒ වගේ just listen, right? I hope you can understand everything, right? Then yes, annual charge එක තමයි අපි දාන්නේ income statement එකට. හැබැයි ගෙවපු ගාන තියෙනවා මෙතන කීයද? Telephone charges 120 එක තමයි දාන්නේ receipt and payment account එකට. Likewise, you can do everything, do all the 6 7 8 homework ඉතින් කරත් ඔයාට නැතත් ඔයාට මට නම් කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මට පාඩුවකුත් නැහැ. පුළුවන් නම් තුනම කරන් ඉන්න. I think it will take not 2 hours, we can finish it. The time permits, I'm going to start the next lesson tomorrow, the next Monday. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? So මට හිතෙනවා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට අපේ time නෑ. නැත්තම් time තිබ්බනම් මේකේ past papers දැම්ම ඉවර කරොත් ආයෙ මේක revision session ඕනේ නෑ. This is easy. Understand? Right? So but I'll try to do, but we can't do past papers in theory class because we need to finish, I think, your examination. How about third term? Any idea? Any dates? You don't know.
November क्या तुम्हारे डेट क्या है ना November के
මම හිතන්නේ නොවැම්බර් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ මේ A levels ඉවරුනාම තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ exams ඉවරුනාට පස්සේ නිවාඩුවෙන් පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ. අපි බලමු. This is enough for today. Let's meet on Wednesday. I'm going to start the purchase and sales and general revision. Right. Thank you for the participation. Good night. Saranay. God bless. Bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.